2025 MacBook Pro M5 Honest Review. How much faster is daily work really?
Do you ever close your MacBook at 11 p.m. and realize you've just spent the entire day wrestling apps instead of actually getting work done? I was right there last month. Brain fog, 47 tabs, notifications screaming, just drowning. Does this sound like your Tuesday too? I tried everything. Notion dashboards, browser cleanup extensions, even switching to Windows for a week. Don't ever do that. Nothing stuck. The chaos kept winning, and I was burning weekends just to stay above water. I knew there had to be a machine that could actually think with me instead of making me manage it. I just didn't expect Apple, of all companies, to finally deliver it. Then I unboxed the 2025 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M5 chip in space black. That first morning, I asked Siri to turn my 43-minute voice memo rant into a structured client update with action items. 42 seconds later, it was done. Perfect tone, bullet points, it even caught the sarcastic joke I made about budget. That's when I realized this isn't another faster MacBook. This is the first laptop that legitimately removes friction from my brain. The neural engine running Apple Intelligence on device means image generation in Photos, smart object removal in Final Cut, code suggestions in Xcode, transcript summaries, all instant and private. No uploads, no processing in the cloud spinner. The 24 gigabytes of unified memory lets me keep Logic, Final Cut, Arc with 80 tabs and 3 preview windows open while training a small model locally, and the fans barely wake up. The Liquid Retina XDR screen hitting 1600 nits outside is ridiculous in the best way. This thing doesn't just run fast, it gets out of your way so you can actually think. Look, I'm not the only one saying this. The same analyst who called the M1 revolutionary told me privately the M5 is the real demarcation line between before AI and after AI computing. Developer forums are flooded with engineers who say proprietary code completion on device is non-negotiable now. Video editors are cutting timelines 40 to 60% faster with the new AI masking tools in Final Cut. Even my skeptical designer friend who swore by Windows admitted the upscaling and style transfer tools made her switch. Yes, it's expensive. I get the sticker shock. I felt it too. But when I calculated the hours I used to waste context switching, organizing files, cleaning up transcripts, waiting for renders, this machine has already paid for itself in time. And no, you don't need to learn prompt engineering. Apple Intelligence just works in the background like a ridiculously competent assistant who already knows how you think. The feature that honestly shocked me the most, I dictated a chaotic 20-minute brainstorm, walked away, came back, and it had turned it into a mind map in freeform with follow-up calendar events. I didn't even know that was possible.
Imagine closing your MacBook at 6 p.m. on a Friday, knowing everything is actually done. No Sunday night catch-up panic, no where did that file go, no battery anxiety. That's my reality now. If you're tired of tools that make you work harder to manage them, this 2025 MacBook Pro M5 is the first computer that genuinely feels like it's on your team. I've dropped my affiliate link below, but honestly, just go look at the specs yourself. If it clicks for you like it did for me, you'll know in about 5 minutes.